AM.CO.za is situated in Sunnyrock, Germiston, central to Bedfordview, Edenvale, Primrose and the Oliver Tambo International Airport. The building is completely owned by AM.CO.za, and renovations and additional building projects started taking shape early in 2023. And as the overall vision of the AM.CO.za nears completion, a great opportunity arises for interested parties. This section of the building has been earmarked for a restaurant with a total floor space of around 250 square meters. The restaurant will feature generous seating space. A bar area that feeds into a courtyard. A large dedicated bathroom area and ample space for the kitchen, including a cold room area. So, what's the opportunity? Do you want to run a restaurant business from this intriguing building? What's on offer is free electricity running off solar panels, free water supply running off an on-location borehole, free internet on 6G bandwidth dedicated fiber, and 24-hour security, and an initial 6-month rent-free contract to get you started. In addition, walk-in clients will get a 1% cash back on purchases to spend in the restaurant and a 10% of salary top-up credit to all staff members to spend at the restaurant as well. This could seriously be a brilliant opportunity for self-empowerment. Now remember, fortune favors the brave, and the bell of opportunity is ringing right now. So if you are interested, I suggest you send an email to restaurant@am.co.za right now with your ideas and your portfolio.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunnyrock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.